Hello and welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video of TechTube. In today's simple tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Twitter account. If you have an account of Twitter and don't know how you can log into it, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Now either you can log into your Twitter using the website of Twitter, which is twitter.com, but for this video we're going to use the mobile app. So make sure you download this Twitter app from the Play Store or your App Store depending upon your device. So once the app has been downloaded, you can open up the app and this is the sign up page. Now to log in, just tap on the login option on the bottom. Once you tap on the login option, it's going to take you to a section from where you need to type in your phone number or email address or the username that is linked with your Twitter account. So you can type in one of these information or one of these details. Once you type in one of these details, you just need to tap on next and it's going to show you the section of adding in the password. If you happen to forgot the password of your Twitter account, you can tap on the forgot password link and follow simple steps to recover them. If you do remember it, type it in and you can reveal this password by tapping on this eye icon so that you can enter the password without any mistake. Once you type in both of these information, tap on login and you'll be successfully logged in to your Twitter account. So that's the quick process of logging in to your Twitter account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.